Palmer here with X Boy. We were playing our dog Liberty. That's her food bowl. That's her food bowl. We're about to get her a water bowl soon. We're gonna show you Liberty in a second. Right? Because we're gonna put Liberty in the next episode. Put hashtag Liberty if you want to see our dog. Our dog is really cute. I'm going to show you a hint. If you can guess the type of dog in the video, if you guess the type of dog, you will show the dog. If you don't, we won't. Okay? So if this ends, I'm sorry. We'll make another one. Go for her binky. Drop it for her. Oh, Liberty. Sorry. Did I drop something? See. Oh, geez, sorry. Well, I'll show you the dog. But try to guess what type of breed it is. Don't say the breed. My brother likes to call it Flashpoint, but her name is Liberty. See, we'll see you in the next episode. We'll see you in the next video.